We're here at WFL in Austria. Now these guys produce some of the largest mill-turn machines in the world. However, we're here for the world premiere of the M200 MILLTURN.
MTD CNC, bringing you the latest engineering news via video media.
We're at the world premiere of the M200. I'm standing here with Martin, the sales director. Martin, why the M200?
Yes, good question. For about 15 years, since we are making big mill turns, we are always focused with projects which are exceeding the existing dimensions of our mill turns. So, because of the ideas of our customers, we decided to build a bigger machine, the M200. It's a basically new design concept and with totally different design challenges even compared to our existing mill turns.
So what makes this different?
Especially the large stroke requirements, which are in terms of x-axis stroke doubled compared to the largest existing M150, and also the weight, the maximum workpiece weight, which goes up to 60 tons now.
And the type of sectors that you would be aiming is this aerospace, oil and gas, power generation?
Basically, those are the same industries where we are focusing on with our existing machines, like what you mentioned, power generation, aerospace, oil and gas, however with bigger components.
So is this machine being driven by your customers' demand, or are you looking for new business?
It was mainly driven by customer demand, and of course it is also part of our growth strategy.
Okay, obviously the service and backup that you guys actually offer is second to none. When would this machine be available?
The machine, the M200, is available for sale from now on. So this is the world premiere. We can offer it at any time, and we have already several projects in the pipeline. And it's a standard product for us in the future. Basically, the M200 offers all possibilities of all existing smaller mill turns, especially considering the possibility of automatic use and change of large and heavy boring bars and ID machining tools or heavy attachments, just bigger and the bigger weight. Yeah? But technologically, the M200 has the same possibilities like our other mill turns.
And I see the tool change here, you know, that's also increased, hasn't it?
Yeah, the tool changer is a well-proven unit from the M150. In this case, we took the existing design and increased it, enlarged it to the suitable size of the M200 in order to make sure that there will be no surprises.
Now I also see how deep this machine is, so most customers, I presume, would have to have this in a pit, would they?
This machine goes to a pit with a depth of about 2 meters. The advantage is the maintenance aisle underneath the machine has a sufficient height for convenient access for the maintenance engineers, and on the other hand, the access for the operator into the machine is fully flat, so it's a very ergonomic design. We presented recently the integration of a laser unit, which can be used for laser welding or laser cladding as well as laser hardening. And this was presented for our smaller machines, but the same unit or even a larger one can be used for the M200 as well. So there are no limitations for the integration of laser operations even also in the M200.
So is that based on the success that you've had with the laser and some of the smaller machines that you produce?
The laser systems are ready for the market. They are fully working, and we are, let's say, still evaluating the potential for the future, but technically it is ready for sale and also no problem for the M200.
And what sort of delivery time do you put on the M200?
Depending on the configuration of the machine, it is about between 18 to 24 months, but it will strongly depend on the number of orders which we will get.
So obviously your existing customer, looking forward, looking into the future, this is where this is really aimed at.
Sure, our customers are observing what we are developing, and of course this development was mainly driven by our customers, and we are also lucky that most of them are visiting us in this event, and it shows that they are really interested in these new possibilities.
Martin, thank you very much.
It's my pleasure.